How to find username settings on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find username settings on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here click these 3 points in the bottom corner and then go down until you find settings. Click on it and here click this one, account info, and then just go down until you find you can find it here, username. Then just click this icon, but you can't change it. You need 1000 Robux, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.